In the last video, I showed you how to start affiliate marketing from zero, the exact steps, the setup, and how beginners usually begin. But here's the problem. Most people follow those steps and still don't make any money. Why? Because they make one critical mistake right at the beginning. They choose the wrong niche, and once that decision is wrong, everything after that becomes harder, slower, and frustrating. You keep working, but nothing moves. You stay stuck at zero, no income, no sales, no real progress. You are putting in effort, but nothing is working. And after a point, you start doubting yourself. So, in this video, I am going to show you exactly why this happens, and more importantly, how to choose the right niche so your effort actually start giving results. You are working hard, spending time in learning, trying to stay consistent, trying different strategies, following different advices, but at the end of the day, no results. And that's where most people feel stuck. Now listen carefully. It's not you. It's not because you are not capable. It's not because you are not trying. You are not the problem. The problem is your niche. That's where everything starts. If your niche is wrong, everything becomes difficult. Your content doesn't connect, your offers don't convert, and your effort goes to waste. No demand means no sale. If people are not searching for something, they are not interested. And if they are not interested, means they are not going to buy. It doesn't matter how good your content is, you won't get results. No problem means no money. People don't pay for content, they pay to solve problems. If there is no real problem, there is no urgency, and without urgency, there is no money. No product means no income. At the end of the day, money comes from selling something. If there is no product connected, there is no way to earn. And this is where most beginners get this wrong. They skip these basics and jump straight into content without understanding how money actually works. They follow interest, not demand. They choose something they like, something they feel comfortable with. But the market doesn't care about your interest, it only responds to demand. Here's how it actually works. First, it's demand. People are already searching. That demand exists because there is a problem, and that problem leads to a product, a solution people are willing to pay for. That's the system. So the rule is simple: follow demand, not interest. This one shift changes everything. Let's look at a clear example. Wrong niche, fitness. It looks good, it feels popular, but it's too broad. You don't know who you are talking to or what exact problem you are solving. Now compare that with weight loss for busy professionals. Now it's clear. You know the audience, you understand their problem, and you can create targeted content. That's the difference between random effort and focused results. This is what a strong niche looks like: demand, problem, monetization. It starts with demand, then comes the problem, and finally monetization. If all three connect, the niche works. So, what should you actually do? Find demand, identify the problem, check monetization. Most people skip this step, and that's why they struggle later. If you do this properly, everything becomes easier. Let's look at this again. Wrong niche, fitness. Too broad, no clear audience, no specific problem. Now compare that with weight loss for busy professionals. Now it's completely different. You know exactly who you are targeting. You understand their daily struggle. They don't have time, and because of that, you can create content that actually connects and actually converts. That's the difference between broad and specific. One keeps you stuck and other moves you forward. Now, where do you find demand? Start with YouTube. Look at what people are searching. Then Google. Check what keeps coming up. And finally, Amazon or courses. If people are already spending money, that's real demand. Before you choose any niche, validate it. Ask yourself, are people paying? Are creators earning? Is content in demand? If all three are yes, you are on the right track. At the end of the day, everything comes down to this: demand, problem, monetization. Ignore this and you stay stuck. Follow this and things start changing. Now you understand why most people don't make money, even after putting in a lot of efforts. The difference is not effort, it's direction. Fix the niche and everything else start working. And if you are serious about building this, then please subscribe. Because in the next video, I will show you exactly how to turn this into your first affiliate income. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.